Ma'am, I tell.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Good morning,
I
everyone.
tell.
Yes, today we will continue this chapter tenses. Okay. Our chapter is tenses. In this chapter, we will study about three tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, and we are talking about simple present tense. Okay. As I told you, in simple present tense, first of all we will write subject. Subject means जो भी हमारा नाउन है, किसी का नेम है, पर्सन्स नेम, एनिमल्स नेम, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट. ओके, तो हम लिखेंगे अध्ययन. एज अध्ययन से माय मदर, दिस इज माय मदर. ओके, दिस इज आवर सब्जेक्ट. इसके बाद वर्ब, वी विल यूज वर्ब. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, वर्ब में हमें क्या करना है. ही सेड माय मदर कुक्स, तो माई मदर इज सिंगुलर, सो वी विल राइट कुक्स. और अगर यहाँ पे
मैम,
यस,
मैम
दिस इज
कुक्स ही
आवर
वर्ब होएगा.
दिस इज
मैम,
आवर वर्ब.
cooks.
ओके, ये वर्ब है, दिस इज सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, तो सब्जेक्ट के बाद जब हम वर्ब लिखेंगे, इफ सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, अगर ये सिंगुलर है तो हम कुक्स लिखेंगे. ओके, इस सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, माई मदर इज सिंगुलर, देयर इज नॉट मदर्स. अगर
Good
मदर्स
morning, ma'am.
होता, इफ देयर विल बी मदर्स, व्हाट वी विल राइट, कुक और कुक्स. अगर मदर्स होता तो हम क्या लिखते.
cook. मैम कुक.
यस, कुक. अगर यहाँ पे हम मदर्स लिखते तो यहाँ पे हम कुक लिखते, तो ये एस यहाँ आ गया, तो यहाँ पे कुक. ओके, माई मदर्स कुक, द मदर्स कुक. ओके, एंड माई मदर कुक्स. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड.
मैम,
नाउ टेल मी.
मैम कौन सी. मैम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है.
Yes, this is simple present tense. We are revising again this chapter, tenses. I have told you about these three tenses, but in today's class we will revise again three types of tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Okay?
मैम,
We
your
will
voice
revise
is
again.
cracking. मैम.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Adhyan, beta,
Yes,
yesterday
ma'am.
you were telling this, and I told you, I think there is some problem in your network. Okay, other
Okay,
students are listening clearly. Others
ma'am,
are
I will
listening
check.
clearly. Okay,
Ma'am, okay, ma'am, I will check.
okay. Simple present tense. Okay. Now I am writing one more sentence. The boys dash and our verb is eat. Okay, Ritika, you tell. The boys
Ma'am, the
verb is
boys
eat.
eat
What will-
apples daily.
Okay, again read. The boys
Ma'am, I tell Janvi.
eat. Okay, very good, Ritika, because boys is plural, so we will write only eat, not eats. Okay, if I will write here the boy, so we will write eats, not eat. Okay, this concept is clear. With singular,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
subject is singular, we will add s or es in the verb, and if subject is plural, we will not add s or es. Okay, ये आपको याद रखना है. You have to learn it कि आपको यहाँ पे the boys eat, the boy eats, the girl eats, she eats, He eats. The children eat. The children
Eat.
Okay. Again and again I am telling this. और ये आपको रूल्स याद रखना है. ये रूल्स याद करोगे then you can continue your टेंसेस. ओके, तभी ये टेंसेस आपको आगे आएंगे, आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. Now we are coming to the simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. You have learned verbs in past tense. आपने verbs learn की थी ना? Now tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
She dash from Mumbai. Okay, our verb is come. So she and this is in past tense. Make past tense
Ma'am.
sentence.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes.
Came.
Came. Okay. Come is a verb and the past tense of come is came. She came from Mumbai. She came from Mumbai. Came. Comes
Came.
past tense came. Okay. Understood? This is simple past tense. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Only you will use past
Yes,
tense
ma'am.
verb. Okay. जो verb का past tense है ना, that will you use. Okay. Next, one more. He dash a song yesterday.
Ma'am, I tell.
Who is saying?
Ma'am, I.
Who is?
Ma'am, I tell.
Our
I
verb
tell.
is.
Sir.
Our verb
Ma'am, I
is
tell.
sing.
Okay. Ma'am, I tell.
Apurva, you tell. Apurva.
I tell.
Apurva.
Yes, ma'am.
He dash a song yesterday.
She sing. Ma'am, sang.
Yes, sang. He sang a song because the past tense of sing is sang. Very good.
Sang.
Apurva. ये आपको तभी आएंगे जब आप इनको लर्न करेंगे. When you will learn these verbs. अच्छे से लर्न कर लेंगे तो आप तुरंत सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. You can make sentences. Okay? Is that clear? Past tense? Because you have to learn all these verbs. And I will give some more verbs. There are some verbs in your book and some more verbs. I think 50 verbs I will give you afterwards. You have to learn them also. आपको वो भी लर्न करनी है. और ये इतनी सारी verbs आप लर्न कर लोगे, you can make sentences, you can make verbs properly. Okay? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now next is we come to this one. Simple
Ma'am,
future
50
tense.
कौन से?
Simple future tense. Okay?
मैम 50
Yes.
कौन से सेंटेंस?
What beta? What are you saying? Who is speaking? Who is asking something?
मैम जानवी.
Yes, Janvi. What? Speak again, beta. What are you asking, Janvi?
मैम प्लीज रिपीट.
Which one?
मैम आपकी वॉइस बीच में मैम आपकी वॉइस अटक गई थी बीच में, इसलिए एक बार दोबारा से बताइए ना.
Which one? Past tense. कौन सा बेटा
Ma'am.
past tense?
मैम वो पूछ रहे थे कि 50 सेंटेंस वो 50 पास्ट टेंस जो आप बता रहे हैं ना मैम, वो कौन से?
Oh, that I will give you afterwards. Okay? मैं आपको पहले आप ये बुक वाला अच्छे से लर्न कर लो.
Yes,
In your
ma'am.
book, there are some verbs. You learn them properly. Then afterwards I will give you 50 more verbs, okay, to learn. ठीक है, मैं आपको फिर से और बहुत सारी verbs दूंगी, वो भी आपको learn करनी है. Okay, जानवी? Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now come to the simple future tense.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
dash Delhi tomorrow, and our verb is go. Janvi, what we will use here? They dash Delhi tomorrow, and
Ma'am,
the
I
tense
can-
is simple future tense.
Ma'am, will go.
Yes, very good. Will go. I think you all have
Ma'am, will
understood.
go.
Will
Ma'am,
go.
will go.
Yes, will go. We will use will
Ma'am.
only. अब हमको will use करना है, and the same
Ma'am,
verb.
will go.
Go, will go. They will go Delhi tomorrow. Okay? They will go Delhi tomorrow. This is simple future tense. Future means बाद में जो होगा. Okay? Understood? Now, Khyati, this is your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Who joined now? अभी किसने ज्वाइन किया? Who has joined? Our verb is buy. B-U-Y. B-U-Y, buy.
Ma'am, my turn.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes. I dash a toy today.
I'm sure.
Yes, Khyati?
I'm sure by.
Shall, not shall, beta, shall. I shall buy. I shall buy a toy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम will भी आ सकता है ना?
Yes, we can.
Will buy.
As I told you, we can use will, we can use shall. Both. इसके साथ हम I के साथ दोनों यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके? बट shall ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. I shall buy. ओके? You can use shall, you can use will. I will buy.
मैम I के
ये भी
साथ
right
है ना
है.
shall भी लगा सकते हो और है ना
Yes,
will भी.
Yes. I will buy. I shall buy.
मैम बट
Okay?
shall ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
Yes, so we will use shall. I shall buy a toy today. Next is
Ma'am I tell. Ma'am may I give answer? Ma'am I tell.
the children.
Ma'am I tell.
In park.
Ma'am may I give answer? I tell. Ma'am दिया कि नहीं आई? Ma'am I tell.
Okay, Diya.
Ma'am.
Diya, this is your turn. The children
Yes.
dash in park. Our tense is simple future tense.
Ma'am the children will play in park.
Yes, the children will play in the park. Okay. Okay, the children will play in park.
Ma'am I tell. Ma'am I tell next. Ma'am may I give answer?
Okay, yesterday some children have sent the answers of last exercise E. Okay, Adhyan,
Yes
I have corrected that in the mobile. Fifth one, my mother made a delicious cake. You have take present tense. आपने उसमें present tense किया था. That is past tense. Made means past tense. Make, made,
Okay, ma'am.
made. Okay. Make is
ma'am.
present tense and made is past tense. Okay, उसको correction करना. एंड वन मोर
Okay, ma'am.
स्टूडेंट्स, वन मोर स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक और भी किसी ने किया था.
Ma'am,
यस
only one mistake is there.
यस, ओनली वन, बाकी सब राइट
Okay,
थे.
ma'am.
यू हैव
Okay,
डन
ma'am.
योरसेल्फ, आपने अपने आप किए थे.
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड, दैट इज राइट. ओनली वन वॉज रॉन्ग. मेड इज पास्ट टेंस. ओके, बाकी सबने कर लिया था. अदर्स
Yes, ma'am.
all you all have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Today how many students are in the class? 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 only. Okay, Jay is there.
Ma'am, उसमें उसमें past tense होएगा क्या? My
Yes,
mother
that
made.
is past tense. Made is past tense. Okay. Jay Parik, Jay is there. Jay Parik,
Yes, ma'am.
have you understood beta? Simple future tense. समझ में आया ये?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, वी विल यूज ओनली विल शैल, और जो हमारी वर्ब है सेम फर्स्ट फॉर्म में. ओके, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लाइक.
मैम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में shall और
हाँ, विल और शैल यूज होगा. शैल किसके साथ? आई एंड वी के साथ ओनली. बाकी सबके साथ विल, और आप सबके साथ विल भी यूज कर सकते हो. ओके,
मैम.
आई विल बाय, दे विल गो. ठीक है, दे विल कम. तो आपको फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही यूज करनी है वर्ब की. जो आपको यहाँ पे वर्ब दी है सेम यूज करनी है, और सिर्फ आपको विल लिखना है. विल
Okay,
गो,
ma'am.
विल कम, विल प्ले, विल डांस. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. और सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में आपको ये वर्ब्स लर्न करनी पड़ेगी. यू हैव टू लर्न दिस लाइक ईट, एट. ओके, कम, केम,
Yes.
गो, वेंट. ये आपको लर्न करने पड़ेंगे. यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. ये लर्न किए बिना आपको पास्ट टेंस नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यू कांट राइट सेंटेंसेस. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में आपको वर्ब में एस या ईएस लगाना है. सिंगुलर के साथ, प्लूरल के साथ एज इट इज यूज करना है. सिंपल पास्ट में आपको पास्ट टेंस, पास्ट फॉर्म लिखनी है. एंड इन सिंपल फ्यूचर यू हैव टू राइट ओनली विल और शैल. Understood these three tenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I must make one sentence. All of you. So first of all, Apurva. Apurva. Simple present tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple present tense. Make one sentence.
I will play with my.
Simple present tense.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
play with my friends. This is simple present tense.
I
मैं
play
फ्रेंड्स
with
के
my-
साथ खेलती हूँ. This is simple present tense. I play, I go, I run. These are simple present tense. Okay. She के साथ she runs, she plays, she goes. She के साथ goes कर दो, plays कर दो, runs कर दो. He के साथ goes, plays, runs. Okay. Now अध्ययन past tense. Simple past tense.
Ma'am, simple past tense.
Yes.
Ma'am, I tell. Ma'am,
Simple past tense. Yogeshwari, you
Ma'am.
are late, beta.
Reena.
Yes, Reena.
Ma'am, Reena has made it a cake last night.
Reena has
Made a cake last
not
night.
has beta. Reena made a cake last night. पिछली रात को रीना ने एक केक बनाया. Made only, not has. Okay. Has is not used in past tense. Okay. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Nice try. Okay. Yogeshwari, why are you late? बेटा लेट हो गए आप. What happened? Okay. Now Diya. Simple
Yes,
present
ma'am.
tense. Simple present tense.
Huh?
Simple present tense.
Ma'am, my father goes office daily.
Very good. Very nice. So nice. Okay. Khyati. Khyati. Simple past tense.
She ran in the rain.
She ran in race. Okay, very good. Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
simple future tense. Make one sentence, simple future tense. Simple future tense.
Okay, ma'am.
Make one sentence fast. Jay, fast beta.
Ma'am, I tell.
Jay, simple future tense.
Ma'am,
What will you use?
Janvi. Ma'am, I tell.
She will go
No.
tomorrow. He will come
Ma'am, I
tomorrow.
tell.
He will go in the evening. He will, she will. Will use karo. And verb use karo. Apurva, you tell. Apurva.
I will sing a song
Yes,
today.
I will sing a song. Very nice. तो गाओ फिर. हमें भी सुनाओ.
Ma'am, I tell.
Okay. Very nice, beta. Or Anjali. Anjali, you make one
Yes,
sentence. Simple present tense. Anjali.
Ma'am, my mother making food.
Not making, beta. My mother makes या cooks food. Making नहीं. ing we will not use in this simple present tense. ये continuous में use होता है ing. Okay? अंजलि. Okay? मैंने बताया था ना जो verb है उसमें आपको s या es use करना है. My mother makes food. My mother cooks food. Okay? Yogeshwari, this is your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple past tense. Make a sentence. Simple past tense.
She danced on the floor.
What? हाँ. She danced on the floor. Very good. Very nice. Danced. उसने फ्लोर पे डांस किया. She danced. Okay? अब कौन बचा वहाँ पे? कौन है और? ख्याति. जानवी. जानवी, your turn. This is your turn. जानवी. Are you there? जानवी.
Ma'am, I will come.
Janvi, yes. Janvi is not responding. Janvi,
Ma'am,
can you hear me?
simple present tense.
Yes, simple present tense. Janvi,
Ma'am,
make fast. Make a sentence.
I will go.
No, this is not simple present tense.
temple with my brother.
Again
Ma'am,
speak. Janvi, again speak.
I will go.
Beta, this is not simple present tense. Will go. You are saying will go.
with my brother. Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, Priyanshi. Janvi
Simple
will,
future tense.
beta. Janvi will go, beta. We will use in future tense. आप present tense में will use क्यों कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, I tell.
Priyanshi, you tell.
She drink a glass of water.
Yes, she drinks a glass of water. Okay? She drinks water. अब ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. जानवी बेटा, आपको समझ में नहीं आया क्या अभी तक?
Ma'am, I tell. Ma'am, I tell.
Okay. I think you all have understood. The time is over now.
Future tense.
The class is over now. Okay?
Ma'am, future tense में will आएगा.
Bye, ma'am. In future tense, we will use will, beta. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye.